Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, everybody keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, September the 26th. So, starting off on our new clearance markdowns, we have the green dot home category going down to 50% off. Again, starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind that I will be putting together a separate visual video for you all for our green dot home category, because this is a huge category. We have hundreds of items. The beach towels are included in this category this year. They are green dot. And also, don't forget about those Mother's Day items that we thought would be Mother's Day, but they are actually not Mother's Day. They were actually green dot items. So those should be following along with this markdown. But make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on your notifications, because I will have that video out to you guys as soon as humanly possible. Now, next up, we have our lawn and garden category going down to 50% off. Now, I put your miles may vary on this one because this has just been a weird category. Some stores have been at 25% off. Some stores have been at 50% off, and you may have a store in your area where they're just tired of seeing it on the sales floor, and they've been manually marketed down to 70% off for the last 2 months, like mine. But as of Tuesday, all stores across the board should be at least 50% off. Now, following right along with this trend, we also have the swim and summer category, our pink square toys going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, again, your miles may vary because I know that some stores are already at 50% off, but I am assuming starting on Tuesday across the board, everybody should be at least 50% off. All right, next up, we have our 4th of July seasonal category going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, with this category, we have a lot of the home decor items included. I am working on putting those visuals together for you all, so just make sure that you stay tuned. Now, for our next 3 markdowns, we have the 4th of July party supplies. We also have our spring stationery and party category, and we have our summer stationery and party category. All 3 of those are going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. Now, I am going to have a visual video up for you all with all of the different categories that include paper products, because if my memory serves me correctly, I believe that we have a total of 4 different categories that include paper products right now, like paper plates, cups, bowls, the whole 9 yards. And I know that a lot of people are looking for these paper products, so I just wanted to kind of wrap it all up into one nice, short and sweet video for you all. So make sure that you stay tuned. I will have that video up within the next couple of days. All right, now moving right along, we also have our sun care category going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. So here's a look at all of the items that are included along with the UPC codes. We have several of the Wild Tropics sunscreen, and guys, I just tried this for the first time this year, and I absolutely love this stuff. It is amazing. So snag it up while you can at a really good price. Now, we also have several of the Studio Selection brand sunscreens included in this category. We have the babies, the kids, the adults, the sprays, the lotions, you name it. There's a little bit of everything. So here it is with the regular price. UPC codes are on your screen. You guys let me know down in the comment section below. Would you rather have the UPC codes written out, or do you prefer to see the barcode on the screen? All right, guys, now moving right along, we also have select insecticides going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. So here's a look at all of those items that are included in this category. We have 3 different pick brand items included. The regular price is on the screen along with the UPC code. We also have the little Buggables wristbands. These are mosquito repellent wristbands. We also have the Off Deep Woods insect repellent. This is a 2-pack. We also have the Spectricide Wasp and Hornet Spray 18.5 ounce and the Raid Ant Barrier Spray 22 ounce bottle. Next up, we also have the back to school category going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. Here's a look at all the different displays that I found at my store, and here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. Alright guys, now next up we have a brand new category joining our clearance markdowns this week, and that is back to school hardware. And this one's coming in hot at 50% off starting on Tuesday. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. I'll have visuals for you guys ASAP. Alright guys, next up we have our freezer bars going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, which means that they should be pinning out here very soon. So you guys let me know down in the comment section below, are you still seeing the freezer bars at your store, or have they pretty much all sold out? Now in this category we have a total of 5 different freezer bars included. We have the Pop Ice, we have the Fun Pops, and the Weiler's freezer bars. So be on the lookout. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. All right, guys. Now, next up, we finally have our Hanes face mask dropping down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. Here are a few pictures. I do want to warn you guys, though, some of these are still ringing up at full price. So scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register. Now, also, starting on Tuesday, we have our reusable face mask category dropping down to 90% off. Now, I'm going to be honest with you all, I have not had time to put the face mask visuals together. That kind of dropped down on our list of priorities with all these clearance events hitting, but if I find the time, I will put together those in-store pictures that I took for you all. I'll post those over on the community tab, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, here is the itemized list along with the UPC codes of the items that will be included. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and jump into our penny list for this week at Dollar General, and we have our firework category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday. Now, here is the itemized list along with the UPC code. Keep in mind that not all stores carried these items, so they may be a little bit harder to find. Now, if you haven't heard already, we do have a 7-day long Dollar General clearance event right around the corner. I have already put out a video talking about this clearance event, details that you need to know about, and what you need to be prepared for. So if you haven't watched that video already, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned because you know your girl is going to go all out for this clearance event. We have tons of new items, coupons, rebates, the whole 9 yards. So make sure that you stay tuned, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.